Hi, this is Farron with Step Above Marketing, and I hope everyone is doing great today at Miami Valley Shooting Grounds. And as promised, I put together a quick video to show you guys how I help businesses grow online with Google and their websites. I'm going to go over three main ideas. I'm going to go over citations, I'm going to go over content, and I'm going to go over backlinks. And those are three main aspects that helps a business grow. All right, so let's just jump on in here. When a customer starts his journey to look for their services, most of them go to Google. Okay, so your customers, they're going to go to Google, they're going to type in gun range, in Vandalia, they're going to type in a gun range in your area. And what happens is you guys pop up, which is awesome. So it looks like you two guys are the top people in this area because usually there's a top three in this map pack. We call this the map pack. There's usually the top three here. Um, 30% of the cost go to the people up here, and 70% goes to the organic search results. These are just the regular websites that people have listed. Okay, so those people get the bulk of the cost, and hardly no one goes to the second page, third page, fourth page. So you want to make sure that you're on the first page of Google, and you want to make sure you're close to the top as possible. So again, I want to congratulate you guys for being number two in the map pack. Woohoo! With 190 reviews. That is awesome. That is stellar. Okay. So you're already set up already been going down the right track there. Um, Now, as far as citations, a citation is how many times your business is listed across the internet. It's having your business name listed, your phone number, your address, all of that listed on directories, such as Bing, Yellow Pages, Yelp, all of those are directories. And there's hundreds of other websites and directories that are relevant to your industry, and um, they'll point back to you, and we'll get back into that when we go over backlinks. But just having your business listed as much times as possible across the internet helps with your rankings. Okay. So you want to make sure you get those citations, and you want to make sure you're at the top. Okay. So say someone is looking for your direct business, Miami Valley Shooting Grounds. You kind of want to make sure that you're showing up on this first page all the way down. When you're on the second page, and this is awesome, you're on the third page, you're on the fourth page, you're on the fifth page. You guys have done a great job with citations. Okay, and then it kind of lingers off on that sixth page. But the more and more you get of them, you'll just keep taking up all the pages, and that just helps you so much with Google. It helps you so much with your ranking and everything, just to consistently be having citations listed across the website, to consistently have your business name, address, and phone number listed on websites consistently, every month, about 20 over the internet, and that helps you guys tremendously. Okay, so doing that, getting your citations listed, that's one crucial thing that helps Google's ranking for you. Okay. So what I did, I didn't find a website for you guys. I didn't see a website for you guys. Let me go back over here. Um, I didn't see a website for you guys. I'm just checking one more thing on the Facebook just to make sure. Okay. So here's your website. All right, here it goes. Oh, that's what it was. Okay, so I didn't see an active website for you guys. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm going to just use someone who's your competition. Okay, I'm going to use your competition just to pretty much show you go over content. Okay, so what Google likes to see is they like to see a lot of content on your home page. They like to see at least like 1,500 words, honestly, and it needs to be keywords like the Vandalia gun rage, stuff like that needs to be on the main page, so that when someone types that in, boom, your website comes up. And they like to see a lot of wording and stuff like that. So I'm using them for the sake of example, but honestly, on their main page, they could use more wording and whatnot like that. So if someone was to come in their industry, in your area, and to optimize their website better, then this business would then end up moving down in the ranks. Okay, so we recommend at least 1,500, 1,000 to 1,500 words, and kind of just depends on your competition, if they only have like 1,000 words on their front page, then you just having 1,500 words is cool. If they only have 300, then you having 800 is cool. I say to at least have at least 500 more at least than what your competition has as far as wording, because you want to make sure Google favors your website. Okay. Another thing, they want your content to be structured because it helps the bots, the internet, the computer bots, the AI, the artificial intelligence. It helps them to pull your website, to pull the information and get it to the customer when you are detailed and when you have everything categorized and stuff like that. So you would have all your services here, and honestly, some of these pages, oh, that one needed more content when I was on. I guess it wasn't relevant. But yeah, just having this wording, this content is what Google likes. So actually, yeah, we could actually put together something that has even more content and wording than this one here. The reason why they're ranking is because of the other factors with their profile, and because it's just not that, I guess maybe not that much competition. But yeah, they have everything structured pretty good, but yeah, someone with more content would blow them out of the water. So yeah, pretty much just having a good constructed website with all the information, the wording, and you want to get those keywords in here, will help you rank with Google. Having that aspect is great. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and just go over backlinks. And what I did again was I put in your competition's information. Now, what this is a software called Ahrefs. It actually helps you to get the information on the background for a website. It lets you know what's going on, how much traffic it's getting, what backlinks are pointing back to it, what keywords are associated with it. Okay. So this particular business actually has a little over 1,000 backlinks pointed to it. That's very good. So a backlink is an actual link coming from another website that points to your website. So they put a link on their website, and when a customer clicks on it, it takes them to your website. And it gives you credibility with Google. It helps with your ranking. The backlink helps with your reputation and makes sure that you're recognized as a solid business that's legit in Google's eyes. And so once that happened, of course, all of that helps with your ranking. Okay, so if you take a look here at some of these backlinks, these are different websites across the internet that are pointing back to the Vandalia gun range. Okay, so when someone is on these other websites, they're given a shout out and they click on it and it takes them to that gun range webpage. And that's just pretty much an awesome thing to have happen, because it helps you with your rank and your reputation with Google and customers. So pretty much just getting backlinks, having a good portfolio of backlinks that you add on, month after month, week after week. Those things help you to take over, that top position and start to rank better. So again, I want to congratulate you guys on your status so far. It's awesome. I hope that you learned something from the video. And I hope that you implement some of the tips. And if not, or if you're not able to, you don't have the time, or whatever the reason, we would be glad to help you. We would be glad to help your business grow. That's something that we enjoy doing and we take pleasure in bringing people results. Okay. When you're happy, we're happy. So again, I just want to thank you for watching the video. Congratulations on your business, and I look forward to maybe hopefully speaking to you soon. If not, take care. And I always would like referrals. If there's someone else that needs help with digital marketing, we also do ads. We do um, social media marketing, just to name a few. All right. Thanks again. Take care.